back a cold front, if you will. It's supposed to be 18 degrees cooler today, and then an expected possible storm maybe forming into a nor'easter later this week, like Wednesday and Thursday. We'll see. I hope so. I love the snow, and this year, even starting in December, we've had snow. Even if it was light, it was still snow. Last year we only had one showing of snow, and the year before that, none at all. Lights are back on. I was out super early yesterday, some ungodly hour, and it was raining. So, with all that could be why they were on. But, also, I thought maybe they were reprogramming, since Super Bowl ads are probably done, so they had to redo everything.